Welcome to my second drawing tutorial. I will be using a set of Montmartre graphite pencils. To sketch the majority of my drawing, I will be using a 2H pencil, which is the lightest shade I have. When doing still life, 3 important ideas to keep in mind are pressure control, smooth shading, and lighting. First, pressure control. Good shadow in a drawing is defined by having a series of values ranging from light to dark. An exercise to practice this would be drawing a long rectangle divided into 5 squares. Start with the lightest values and work your way up to the darkest. You can do this all with an HB pencil. Second, smooth shading. Make sure your pencil is not too sharp, which can cause gaps between pencil strokes. You should also use the side of the pencil and avoid using your writing grip. Instead, use an overhand grip by pivoting your elbow and shoulder instead of using your wrist. This will help make longer, smoother looking strokes. Third, lighting. 3 key parts of lighting are the core light, highlight, and midtones. The core light is the area facing the light directly. The highlight is the reflection of the light source, the brightest part of the object. And midtones are the darkest values on a certain side. These edges receive less light and are further away. One important general tip for the outlining portion of this video is to not press too hard with your pencil. Use light strokes or lines when shading. More importantly, use the distance from the top of your pencil to your thumb as measurement. This way you can see how elements in your still life are compared to ones in your drawing. It is important to apply shading to give your drawing more dimension and volume with simple strokes. Shade with light tones, halftones, and dark tones for depth. Try to use a variety of shading pencils in the HB range. Make sure to maintain light and shadow of all objects in the still life using principles of pressure control, smooth shading, and lighting described in the basics part of this video. For the background, I just did light diagonal shading with my 2H pencil using the overhand technique. The diagonal stroking direction helps provide a more 3D realistic look. I also added shadow to the surface from the grapes and the pear.